Hey guys, what's up? JD from JD Tech TV here, and welcome to my Patreon page. And if you're watching this on YouTube right now, then welcome to my Patreon video. Now, since January of 2017, I've been uploading tech review videos to YouTube, giving you my unique perspective, style, and humor on unique tech that you may or may not have heard of yet. But this channel hasn't been about just regular old tech reviews. It's been about more than that. It's been about the best tech that you can get for under a certain price point. It's been about comparison videos, massive tech unboxings, huge giveaways on YouTube, drone reviews, and even electric skateboard reviews, and many more. JD Tech TV has become the one-stop channel that can fulfill any interest of someone looking for tech-related content while remaining focused enough so I can fulfill the requirement of every single video that I create, and that is to help the average consumer make better tech purchase decisions. But my ability to do this, my ability to bring you video after video, to get to do my dream job every single day, gets increasingly difficult as the channel grows. As the production quality goes up, so does the time and the resources needed in order to complete it. And as the channel grows, more videos need to be put out in order to stay relevant within the YouTube algorithm. Those things take time and resources, and they're the biggest obstacle for any creator to overcome, and I am certainly no exception to that rule, hence the Patreon page. If you're unfamiliar with Patreon, it's a website where you can support a creator starting as little as $1 a month to help them reach production or channel goals, and in return for your generous donation, you receive exclusive perks only available to my Patreon community. There is a wide variety of perks available to choose from for things like getting access to my Patreon only thread, where I will give you behind the scene looks at my videos, exclusive video content, inside information on giveaways, and many more. There will also be perks where you can have a monthly personal conversation with me, perks where you can see my videos before they go live on YouTube and get that ultimate first in the comment section, perks where you can promote your own social media pages or YouTube channel in my videos and descriptions, and perks where I offer one-on-one training on how to grow your YouTube channel through Skype or Google Hangouts. And as time goes on, more perks will be added, and I'd like to hear your input as to what you think some more perks should be, so you can let me know about that in the comment section down below. The links to my Patreon page will be listed in the description down below, as well as on the screen here, so you can check it out if you would like. The ultimate goal is to be full-time on YouTube. For some of you who may not know, this isn't my full-time gig. I actually have a full-time job that I do, and this is what I do in my spare time. And this is where you come in. Your support will not only help me reach the ultimate goal of becoming a full-time YouTuber, but you'll also gain access to exclusive content as well as invaluable information of how to grow your own YouTube channel or social media page, and just grow a personal, closer relationship with me, your favorite tech YouTuber. Well, your favorite tech YouTuber next to maybe like MKBHD, of course, and Jonathan Morrison, and your average consumer, and Austin Evans, and Unbox Therapy, and iJustine.
2 hours later.
Linus Tech Tips, Dave 2D, Techno Buffalo, Soldier Knows Best, Andrew Edwards, Brandon Havard. I mean, that's a lot of people besides me. But anyway, besides all of those people, your favorite tech YouTuber, JD Tech TV. So head down in the description down below and click that link to the Patreon page and just take a look over the perks and see if there's anything that you think that I should add to give back to you. Also, it is certainly not required, but it would be greatly appreciated if you would smash that like button and share this video out on Twitter, on social media, anywhere that you can, just to kind of get the word out and let people know about my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to my community. And as always, I'll see you soon.